Hi, Cloud Room.
Hello.
This is Caleb,
Hi.
my son, and this is Joshua, my husband.
Hello.
And today is such a pretty day, so we decided to go for a walk.
Do you like walking?
It's a really good way to get outside, get some fresh air, stretch your legs, spend some time in conversation, and see some really cool things.
How was your day?
I did good.
Did you see the squirrel?
I did. It was so
It
fun.
was so fun.
We encourage you guys to go outside, get some sunshine, and explore some of nature. Like right here, there's a bush. Do you guys think there's anything living inside the bush? I don't know, I'm not going to stick my hand in to find out.
The cool green bush.
Yeah. And there's lots of trees and flowers and birds. We saw a red bird today, a cardinal. Have you guys seen any birds today? Have you seen any, Joshua?
I have. I saw 3 red birds, 2 brown birds, and a blackbird.
Wow, that's so many birds. Caleb, have you seen any birds? Yeah, that's wonderful. Yeah. Well, guys, I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you get outside, get some fresh air, and go for a walk, and get some exercise with your family. Bye! So we're still on our walk, and I just wanted to show you guys some really pretty flowers that we found. There's some purple flowers, which is one of my favorite colors and one of my mom's favorite colors. So we're going to show Caleb the flowers. What is your favorite color flower? Over here, I see some more, so maybe it's one of your favorites. We're going to run there. Here we go. You can run outside too. It's so much fun. You can feel the wind in your face. You can feel like you're flying. Woo! Woo! Okay, over here, look what I found. Some yellow flowers. Those are so beautiful. I want to smell them. Have you ever gone outside and smelled the flowers? They smell so nice. If you haven't, you should go smell a flower today. Go outside right now. It's so much fun. Okay, I hope you guys are having a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye, friends. Also in nature, you can pretend like you're on safari. And you get behind the bushes. Have you ever pretended to be a lion or a tiger or a giraffe or an elephant? You can go outside and find some wildlife to pretend like you're an animal. Bye! Hi, Cloud Room. We're still on our walk, and we found a really cool patch of clovers. This is my mom. It's really fun to go out and do things with your parents. So right now, when we were little, we used to look for 4-leaf clovers. Have you guys ever looked for a 4-leaf clover? They're much rarer than the 3-leaf clover. So it's really exciting when you find one. I encourage you to go out in your neighborhood and explore all the little things there is to see. There's so much. Nature is beautiful. Bye. Oh, hello friends. I didn't see you there. I was just exploring this beautiful tree. There are pine cones and bark. I think you could even collect some of this and make a wreath or an art and craft and put it on paper, or maybe take some paint and put this in the paint and then make a print on a piece of paper. And then you could have a print of this really cool tree. How awesome is that? And if you look in here, you can see how cool the bark is. And inside the tree, we're in the tree right now. So you can see this is where squirrels live, birds live. This is their home. Go outside and find a tree for yourself. See you later. Oh, hello there, Cloud Classroom. How are you guys doing today? We are having an amazing day. You might recognize my mom, Deborah. We have climbed a tree. Now it's not that high, so we're not in super dangerous, but it gives us a different perspective of this beautiful tree. Look above.
You can see all the flowers, all the branches, and it really makes you feel like you're a bird. Now, speaking of animals, in a tree is another animal that lives. See if you can guess what animal we are impersonating. Do you guys know what animal that is?
A monkey!
A monkey, that's right. We are pretending to be monkeys. I hope you are having a great day exploring nature and making believe and pretending to be animals or whatever fun, creative thing you are finding yourself doing today. Have a great day. Bye. That was relaxing.
Oh, yeah.
What a good nap.
Well,
Hello, Cloud Classroom. How are you? Oh, we were just resting. It's another wonderful thing that you can do outside. When the sun is out, the birds are chirping. We've got Caleb and Joshua here in these lovely chairs. We can go outside, soak up some vitamin D, and just hear the sounds of nature. I encourage you to go outside and relax with your parents or your siblings. Bye.